friend, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a little bit different. I made a purchase, you probably guessed it by the title, but I will do a little unboxing of my first Kindle. This is the Kindle that I received. I will show you when I open it and everything, but this is the Gen 11 16 gig, and I bought the green, the matcha one. I really like green, so I didn't just want the normal black. I saw that there was a raspberry one, but it was not available when I wanted to buy the Kindle, and I didn't want to wait, so I just bought this one. It was supposed to come between October and December, but it came yesterday in July. So I'm really excited to have this. I've already bought a case and a pop socket because I've seen anyone with a Kindle with those things, and I wanted to be ready for that. Now I will show you when I open it. Alright, so I will film this with my phone. I don't know how it will turn out, but it's whatever. I only have one take. With that, I hope I won't mess up. This is a Kindle, and I'm already sorry for the lighting. It's not really optimal. Nice. So this is the cable to charge the Kindle. I've heard that I won't have to charge it for maybe 6 weeks or something like that. The battery life is really good. These are the paper that comes with it. And now for the big reveal. This is the Kindle. It's so small. Ta-da! It's so cute. So this is the power button. And now I won't choose French. I will choose English. And oh nope. Can I oh well, I'll say. Oh, what if I say French? Okay. It's really funny because I can see on the screen there's Kindle, but when I look at it in real time, I don't see this. It's woohoo! Oh no, I'm not a kid. Well, I'll do all the things and I will come back later to show you the more fun things. Okay, so now they are asking me if I want the Kindle Unlimited subscription. I don't know if I should take it. I think I might, but I just want your opinion. Should I get it? Is it that useful? Will I use it that much? Do you have it? And yeah, should I get Kindle Unlimited? That's the question. So for now, I can have it for 3 months free. Do I want to? Yeah, I'll take that for now. 3 months. Thank you. Ooh. Well, that's nice. So I already have these books. I didn't have a Kindle, but I've had the application on my phone. So yeah, I already have that. I will take those off. They are only they were not the full books, and I've already read this one, so I don't want the like first 2 pages on my Kindle. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty fast, and oh, okay, nice. So if I look at that, oh, not that one, this one. Oh, okay. So, oh, okay, it's really fast. And I think you can have the percentage of the book, or you can have the percentage of a chapter, maybe even the number of pages. I'm not really sure, so I will look into that. I don't, oh, okay. Well, I don't even know how how to do that. Okay, I can, oh. Yeah, I'm really good with technology. Can I just go back? Is it here? Well, people, I want to go to the home page, please. Ah, so that's how you do it. Okay, great. So this is what I have for now. And now for the accessories. I had a case that I have now. I already received this, and I set out a pop socket, but it's not. It's this thing here. So I already put it there. It was not with the case. And I will put my Kindle in this now. This is so cute. I don't have anything on my screen. Please tell me if I should buy one. I don't want to break my new Kindle, and I want to take good care of it. So please help me and tell me what I should buy for my Kindle. And yeah, so that's what I had to show you for this video. So this is my new baby. I will probably put some stickers on the back, and if I recap the questions that I had for my Kindle: should I get Kindle Unlimited, and also should I buy a screen protector for my Kindle? I have one for my phone. This is different, so I don't know if it's useless or useful for Kindle, but still. If you have any tips and tricks for a beginner with a Kindle, please comment down below. I will try to put more content with the Kindle in my videos. Now, if I decide to use Kindle Unlimited, I will tell you if the book is available on Kindle Unlimited when I read a book. And if you have any more content that you want to see, you can put your suggestion down below. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!